Today we're going to be looking at the 92 F-150 again. Turns out that the dome light stopped working and also the door buzzer, the door chime, stopped going off when I left the key in the ignition or when the door was open. So the only reason why those two would stop working together would be either a coincidence or the door jamb switch. So we're going to replace the door jamb switch today. It's a very cheap part. It takes 5 minutes to do. I think I got the part for less than 20 bucks, probably closer to 10. I just don't remember at the moment. But each door is going to have a door jamb switch. That way, whenever a door is open, the dome light comes on. And if the driver's side door in particular, in some models, is open, then the buzzer will go off letting you know that there's a key still in the ignition, or your headlights are still on, or any situation like that where you need to know that you shouldn't shut the door and lock yourself out just yet. So what I'm going to do next is show you where this switch is located on my truck, and then I'm going to show you how to replace it and put the new one in. So the door jamb switch in this particular car is actually down here on the driver's side. This is it right here. Now I already pulled the old one out and put the new one in. The old one looks like this, little chewed up, and I found that the dome light would come on occasionally if I played with this switch. So I knew the switch was bad, it was faulty. This is probably the original one from 92. So I got a new one and I replaced it. All you have to do to replace it is, there's a screw right here. You pull that out, regular screwdriver, and then this guy, you just gotta fish it out. You pull the wiring harness out with it, take this one off, put the new one on, fish it back through, and reattach it with the screw. Now, notice that my dome light is on. If I push the button, it will simulate the door being shut. The dome light goes off. So with the old one, it wasn't doing that. It was just staying off the whole time. The truck thought the door was shut at all times. All right, well, I hope that helped, and good luck fixing your door chime, buzzer, and dome light.